welcome back to Sensibly Frugal Living. Today I'm going to be making a healthier version of a chicken nugget. These taste much better than the processed cheap ones, but like I said, fed is best. And if that's what you got to do, that's what you got to do. There's no judgment here. So for this I have diced chicken, breadcrumbs, 3 eggs that I whisk up and some plain flour. The breadcrumbs are what I used to make the chicken for the katsu curry recently, and I'm doing exactly the same again. I got the diced chicken, but I always have to chop it up smaller because some of the pieces are huge, like I'm showing you there. And I always have to cut off any gristly fatty bits because nobody wants to be eating that. And when I did my shop this week, it worked out cheaper to buy the diced chicken than the chicken breast, so that's why I did this. So I chopped them all up into like bite-sized pieces and make sure they're kind of uniform. You get the odd piece that isn't, but I want to make sure there's not any really big pieces so that they all cook evenly in the air fryer. My son isn't a huge fan of chicken nuggets, but he did actually eat some of these. Not all of them. He ate his chips, but he did eat some of these and he said they were okay. But me and my daughter much prefer these to ordinary chicken nuggets. And this meal is like a fake away because I did it with some French fries. So it was chicken nuggets and fries. So what you do is you coat the chicken in the flour, dip it in the egg mixture, and then roll it in the breadcrumbs. And it's as simple as that. And you have your own little chicken nuggets that are much healthier than the processed ones. So you could do this, like I said, for katsu chicken. You could do a big chicken breast this way, or you can do the mini ones like I'm doing and just add a katsu chicken sauce, and that was lovely. We had that as a fake away one night and I really enjoyed that. But for kids, a chicken nugget isn't as scary if you've got fussy children, and yeah, these work perfectly. So this is what I'm left with before cooking, and yes, it makes a mess. It's quite a messy task, but it's worth it. So I popped these in the air fryer and I cooked them at 200 for about 13 minutes and they were done. And here's our little fake away, chicken nuggets and French fries with a good healthy dollop of ketchup.